G'day people, today is Vic Divide day. Pretty excited, bike's on the back, everything's packed, weather forecast is looking mint. So yeah, Vic Divide is happening. So we are starting the unofficial start of the ride here, riding from Vinny's place down to South Geelong train station. I don't know about you, Vinny, but I feel like I'm feeling a bit undertrained right now, but that just means more of a journey, eh?
Lucky we're not racing at full this week, mate.
Yeah, there's no racing going on here.
Morning guys, for this train now arriving is your 10:27 Melbourne Southern Cross service. Thank you.
It's the bit they don't tell you about on public transport. Going down the elevator, the most technical thing we're going to do all day long. Alright, send it. There you go. It's nice to have the navigation actually working now. I've just spent 15 minutes wondering why things are flashing, it's going the wrong way, and haven't even got to the start of the course yet.
Sure, that was like
Luckily Vince. Luckily Vince is here to keep me on trail, eh?
Great Kiwi navigator.
Straight ahead to Moria, eh?
I'm pretty sure I've got to hit south now.
Have officially set off at it's 12:32. Let's go get it. Yeah. Just reminded me of the bad old days when I was riding my cheeky bushwhack around here about 15, maybe 20 years ago. That's what the bottom bounces out, isn't it? This is small.
Yeah, it is. That's exactly what it is, bro.
The old bouncing bottle trick. Don't forget your cable ties. We're just in Yarra single track here. Cruising out through Warrandyte. Bloody beautiful. I know what's easier, but I don't know what's faster.
I'll be pushing, bro, but I can't push as fast as you.
I'll give you a hand, but I can't. I need two hands to steer my bike.
No, I'm good, bro.
That was a nugget. Good work, bro. Bit of a coffee break on the aqueduct here. There's not much between here and I don't know where, so let's just have a stop at our own place.
I know we're about halfway between where we started and somewhere, bro.
40 k's. Only
520 left, man.
Oh, it's getting warm. Had a little bit of cramp just then. Popped a couple of salt tablets. Try and drink some more water, and we've got to go up that son of a gun. Cracking day on the trail, except my legs are giving me a bit of shit today, having a bit of cramp, which is super annoying. So just taking it easy today a little bit and trying to drink more, although we've running out of water. 6:30 p.m. About 15 k's from Toolangi, and that's kind of where we're aiming to get to. I'm sort of fighting off the cramps still, walking the hills at the moment, just trying to stay moving. But I'm not going much slower than Vinny, so it's alright. Took the main road down there, so we're going to go on that for a little bit and then get off it again and go up that big old hill up there, at Toolangi up there. We are going to have a spectacular view climbing this hill with the sunset behind us. It might be in the dark though when we get to the top.
Nice being able to ride it all so far, bro.
Yeah, so far so good, eh?